So good morning guys, welcome to another video. Again, I'm at home. Unfortunately I had an operation last week, so I'm grounded, so I will be at home for the next few weeks. But I seen a lovely video by Sean Mead Photography on YouTube the other day, doing the fox with flash. So I do have a fox comes in here most evenings, not when it's bright, normally around 20 past 6 or that. It's just starting to get dark, so I have taken a few photos of him. My ISO is rocking, so I'm going to try one or two with the flash. It'll be a copy video of Sean's, but like I assume that's what these videos are. They're tutorial to help us get along and help us try stuff, so I'm going to have a go at that. I got a new hide on Amazon. It was 65 euros or something like that. It's a small little 2-man hide. I'll set it up here, we'll have a look at it. I'm going to leave it out for a day or two just for the fox to get used to it, and then I'm going to try to take the photos. So let's go, let's see what we get. Let's take a step into nature. So this is it guys, it's actually pretty impressive. There's 3 windows in it, a door, and I will actually say it took me longer to open the knot that was tying the pegs in it than it did to put it up. It literally went up in 10 seconds. I done it in a time lapse. I'm actually sorry I done it in a time lapse because it definitely wasn't any more than a minute to put it up. So I'll just give you a look inside. So it's pretty impressive inside it. It's got 3 windows that open big. I just closed up this one. And then there's Velcro mesh on them. Comes down here. Let your lens out. So pretty impressive. Definitely worth the money. For starting out, I don't know if I'm going to use it that much. Over the next few weeks I won't anyway. Yeah, definitely worth the money. So the plan is, there's a ditch that runs the whole way, a field and a half, and it actually goes right into the woods. The fox and the pheasants come down here every day. We are now starting to get jays in, so we're not too far from the woods, so I'm putting as many different feeds out here as I can. But what I want to do now over the next few days is I want to do the fox. As I said, I seen a beautiful video that Sean Mead Photography did only a week ago, and I am grounded at the moment. I can't get out. I had another operation on my shoulder here, so I'm pretty restricted to where I can be and go. At the moment I can't drive, so I'm going to be at home for the next few weeks. So this will definitely get me out of the house. And as I said before, probably one of the great ideas of, if you can do it, having a feeding station or getting permission from a farmer to have a little feeding station in his land. Most of them won't mind, like you're throwing down a bit of seed and things like that. The birds have it gone within an hour anyway. So as I said, this is going to be done over a day or two. Obviously I'm going to leave this here overnight. I'm going to feed, so the feeding station's there. I'm going to feed just literally around here where I am. Over time I'll probably build a little stone wall, and it'll be a lovely image, him coming through the stone wall. I'll put a little bit of picket fencing up. You know, I'll make up things to make my photos as natural and as good as I can. There are lovely stone walls already around this property, but they're overgrown with weeds and everything, so I can actually fix them up as well. And I can turn my hide this way and feed behind the wall and get him coming in over the wall and things. So there's loads of options for me here with him coming in. So guys, good morning. Day 2. It looks like it was a successful morning. I have a few logs thrown down here and I can see a poo just in the middle, a fox poo, so that's pretty good. I haven't checked the trail camera yet, but that's a good sign. I put 3 LED lights here and left them on overnight just to get her used to the light. So I've decided I'm going to try do the 3 LED lights tonight and try get a few photos. Reason being is I think if I take a flash and she scatters, I'm only going to get 1 image, whereas I might try do a little bit of video and a few images this way, and then tomorrow night do the flash and turn it into like a 3 evening project. So we'll keep going. If I get anything, I'll show you. We'll have a look at the trail camera now and we'll see what we get. So that's it now guys. Day 2, I'm going into the hide. I'm going to put my 3 LED lights up. I don't know whether you can see, it's a real dark night evening already. So it's just 6 o'clock. Last night she came in at 7:15. Good news was 2 of them came in at 10:30. I haven't seen 2 in a long time, and I was suspecting because she was caching the food that she has a litter of cubs, and maybe when I feel a bit better and over the operation I might go up and try to do a few photos of the cubs, but as of now I'm quite happy with them being here and getting a few photos here. So let's see what we get. As I said, this is only night 2. Tomorrow night I'm going to do the flash. I'm going to do the full LED lights tonight and the flash tomorrow night. Okay? Not in any more than 2 minutes. And there's Neil Pleasant just walking down the ditch. Hilarious. On his way home after Sunday Mass, I think. So guys, it's actually St. Patrick's Day, so happy St. Patrick's Day. You might see the date on the trail camera. Last night was the 16th, so yeah, it's pretty exciting. Kind of more excited the fact that there was 2 foxes in. I really do hope the 2 of them come in this evening and get a few images. Now it was 10:30, I won't be staying till 10:30, but you never know, hopefully they'll come in early tonight. Let's see. So guys, this is the 3rd and final evening. It's just 6 o'clock. I have my flash set up. I have a bit of chicken spread out. So the reason I put down the little logs of timber was so I could put food behind it to keep her there and keep her a little bit busy so I could get the photos. Last night while I was in the hide doing the LED lights, it was very successful. My images They were all 64,000 ISO. I had it capped at 64,000. I was shooting at 1/25th of a second. I got a few nice images. I won't win awards with them, but there was a couple of nice images there. But while I was in there, I had obviously my phone tones turned off. My phone was hopping off its hinges. I became a granddad last night, my first grandchild, Benjamin Patrick Clark, so I'm absolutely over the moon. The only thing, he was born in Australia, I'm in Ireland, so very anxious now. My next video could be in Australia, who knows. We'll keep going anyway tonight. We'll finish this video and we'll see what we get. So guys, thanks for watching. It's been an interesting few evenings. I've put 3 hours in, got a couple of nice images, a little bit of video footage. Can't tell a lie, box didn't come in last night. Well, it didn't come in while I was here, so I didn't get to use the flash. Why, I don't know. She visits every evening. She didn't visit last night, so look, it's not the end of the world. I'll probably do photos another time and I'll reference this video and show you what I got anyway. We just took the hide down. Literally takes less than a minute to take it down as well, so definitely worth its weight in gold. I'll put a link in the description below if anyone is interested. Like, I'm not getting paid to promote it or anything, but I think 65 quid for a hide is pretty cheap. Definitely for starting out anyway. That's it. I really enjoyed the last few evenings, to be fair, and as I said a bit earlier, I'm on a small bit of a high, so I left the hide up last night and just went in home. So obviously it is the following morning, I'm out taking it down and this and that and the other and making an end of video. So I'll see you next video. Thanks for watching and be good.